Shit yaar, what to do? It is very biggest mistake. That's why my English is being bad. Okay, so guys, are you also making the same mistake while improving your English? So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you what was my mistake. I think are you also making the same mistake while improving your English? Maybe, but I am not confirm. Okay, so don't further delay, let's begin. Mistake number 1, think mostly in Hindi. Yeah, think mostly in Hindi. It is very biggest mistake if you want to learn spoken English, because you know guys, before a day, before week, not before week, you can say before 1 year ago, I was think in English. Literally, I was thinking in English. If you are going to outside, if you are going to anywhere, think in Hindi. Think in Hindi. That's why my English is not improving. But after watching more videos and more podcasts, that time I got knowledge. If you really want to improve your spoken English, you have to think in English. It's very very important. So it was my mistake, think in Hindi. So now I'm from yesterday I was thinking English. If you are going to outside, if you are going to college, if you are going to anywhere, suppose if you are go to any restaurant, you can think in English. You should think in English. It's very important. Like suppose if you are wake up in the morning, so you can think, yeah, wake up in the morning and tomorrow I will have to go to shop and this, like this. You think in English. Whatever you are doing work, make sure think in English. Definitely after 1 month you will get the result better. I'm sure about that, because me also nowadays I'm keep think in English. I'm keep thinking in English right now, and literally after 1 week you will get the result better. Definitely. So I would like to tell you, you must think in English. Got it? So point number 1 is cleared. Mistake number 2, don't talk to anyone in English daily. Yeah guys, it was very mistake. That's why my English is not improving, because you know, I was daily avoid talk to anyone. Yeah, no, after that day tomorrow I will talk with my friend and you can say another app like HeLocal. A lot of apps you can talk to easily, but that time I was only, you know, no yaar, today I am busy, the day after tomorrow I will talk, and you know, after the day come, that time also, no yaar, tomorrow I will do. That is main mistake. That was the main mistake. My English is not improving. But now I got understood. Finally I'm giving time, and I'm talking with my friends daily, and nowadays I'm talking with another app like HeLocal, and you can say Realme. Yeah, a lot of apps I'm talking with some friends. Literally guys, my English improving day by day. Maybe after 1 year definitely I will be able to speak fluency. Yeah, so it's my advice to you, please talk to daily. If you have a friend, if you so go and talk on call and video call, whatever, but must you have to talk daily. Suppose you don't have a friend to talk on call, whatever, so you should go to download HeLocal app. It's my recommend to you. HeLocal app is very best app for improving English, because me also I'm using nowadays. You can also connect a lot of people. You can easily to talk to in English. Okay, so it's very important, talk to daily. Okay, talk to daily. Point number 2 cleared. Mistake number 3, due to little listening. Due to little listening. Yeah guys, it was very mistake while I'm keep learning English. That time, wake up morning, I was listening Bollywood song, Hindi song, only Hindi song. When I watching any movies, any songs, only watch in Hindi. That's why my English is not improving that day. But before days, I was listening English, like I was listening podcast and web series, movies and songs. I'm listening only in English. Literally, guys, it's my advice to you. If you listening in English 24 hours, means only in English, whatever you listening, like song, movie, anything. Definitely after 24 hours, you will get a few changes. You will get understand English. Understand English. So it's my advice to you, go to watch in English any movie and any podcast, whatever. So it's my advice to you, listen more. If you listen more, you can get a lot of words. Like example, if you are going to gym, if you are going to walk, if you are going to anywhere, on that time you also learn. You also learning English song, English podcast. Okay, because me also I'm doing nowadays. That's why I'm telling you. Okay, so point number 3 is cleared. Point number 4, we learn English from tomorrow. We learn English from tomorrow. I mean, avoid talna. Yeah guys, it was the very mistake I was doing before days. Literally, suppose that tomorrow is my session, any session, like with my friend. That time, tomorrow is suppose tomorrow my session is to 7 o'clock. That time I was not ready. I sent a message that person, yes, I'm busy and can you talk tomorrow? Means only टाल रहा था मैं, avoiding, I was avoiding. So that was my mistake. That is main reason my English is not improving and I was not able to speak. But nowadays I stopped avoiding. Now I'm talking with some friends and literally guys, my English is improving day by day. Now you can see. Because before days I was not able to speak fluency, but now I can able to speak. But definitely in future I will correct everything. Yeah, because now I'm learning and keep learning day by day. What was my mistake? I was checking where is my mistake, and I will try to fully correct. Okay, so my point number 4 is please don't avoid. Please don't avoid anything. Talk to with your friend, talk to with your mirror, front of the mirror, and talk to, open your camera and start talking whatever comes in your mind. Okay, so my point number is clear, guys. So guys, this was my 4 mistake. I think if you are also doing mistake, so please remove and go to follow all steps. Definitely I'm sure about that, after few days, few months, you will get result better and you will able to speak fluency. Yeah guys, literally I'm telling you. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. Watch my videos.